Breaking news coming in. China has preached about peace after refusing to budge after transgressions at the line of actual control. The Chinese envoy to India in an article has said, and I quote, China and India should be partners rather than rivals. China and India need to find a fair and reasonable solution to the boundary question, which is mutually acceptable. Pending an ultimate settlement, we should renew our pledge to work together to maintain peace and tranquility in the border areas. Unquote. He also comments on India's economic crackdown on China and says, and I quote, any self-protection, non-tariff barriers and restrictive measures against China are unfair to everyone concerned. Unquote. Geeta Mohan is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Geeta, what do you make of the statement that is coming in from China, going on to comment on India's economic crackdown on China, as if their transgression onto the line of actual control was not enough? Do they really believe that India will be able to take whatever they say on face value at the moment?
Well, at this time, what we're seeing is what China has always been doing. The mission speaks one language, but we see something else on the ground. And while China is feeling the heat of the economic sanctions or actions that India is taking against Chinese companies, is the reason why they speak of how U.S. is, without naming U.S., alluding to U.S., interfering in India-China relations and forcing decoupling of economic ties between the two countries. The bigger message over here is on the border issues, where he says that India and China should maintain peace and tranquility and adhere to the understanding that was arrived at by both the special representatives. While on the ground, China is yet to move back. They still have forces on the ground. They're still not budging from Pangong and the finger areas, and that really goes to show that while they're sermonizing, they're telling India what to do and what not to. But on their front, they have not moved one bit, and it doesn't seem like there is any intention of Beijing to move anytime soon.
All right, Geeta, leave it at that. Thanks for joining us for the very latest details on this.